The Receiver, or Loquillo, is an animated character created by Walter Lantz and original design by the cartoonist Ben Hathaway, also the author of Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck, with whom he shares a crazy style of comedy, like them. It is an anthropomorphic animal.